Hello and welcome. Today I will talk about the development of glands which are associated with skin. In our body there are mainly two types of gland. First of all, exocrine gland. Another is endocrine gland. So all types of endocrine gland I talked about in my earlier videos of anatomy. You can check those. These exocrine glands are mainly two types. One is eccrine and apocrine. Both glands develops in same way. Which way? See, first of all, in my skin development video, I told you that the epidermal ridges formation, dermal papilla formation. For this reason, our dermo-epidermal junction forms. Now, due to these epidermal ridges, few epidermal cells, after 20th week of gestational day, these epidermal cells gets directly inside of the dermis, and there it proliferates. When this epidermal cell goes inside, so the last layer of the epidermis, which is stratum basale, few cells of stratum basale also gets inside of the dermis. Now it enlarges and forms a solid mass. We call it epidermal bud. Now day after day, this epidermal bud goes deeper and deeper, but due to the lack of space, it gets coil shaped. Okay, and the upper part of the epidermal bud, it forms a canal shaped or duct formation, which is very straight, and it directs towards the epidermis. Okay, and after a few weeks, this duct emerges directly in the skin, and the deeper part ultimately converted into secretory segment, which is ultimately known as gland. This is the ultimate development process of eccrine gland and apocrine gland. Okay. Now you have to understand that what is the difference of this eccrine and apocrine gland. Eccrine gland presents in all over the body, and apocrine gland presents only specific part of the body, like armpit, then which is known as axilla, then in pubic area, perianal area, then surrounding the main scrotum, in the vulva of the vagina in female, surrounding the nipples. Okay, the duct of the eccrine glands directly opens into the skin, and the ducts of the apocrine gland directly opens into the hair follicles. Now eccrine gland secretes sweat, mainly the water, which consists of more amount of sodium. That's why surface bacteria, which are normal bacteria of our skin, cannot react with it. So you will find no smell in the natural sweat. But the secretions from the apocrine glands are thick, not like water, and it has less sodium content. So the surface bacteria or the skin bacteria easily can react with this and produce smell. Another point, eccrine gland activates after birth. Okay, and this apocrine gland activates after puberty due to the presence of special hormones, like progesterone, estrogen in female, and testosterone, androgens in male. Okay, the sebaceous glands are also special type of exocrine glands which are present all over the body except palm and sole. Now the secretions of the sebaceous glands are oily, and the secretion we call it sebum. Now the development process of these sebaceous glands are same like eccrine apocrine glands. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.